There are many communication and conferencing tools available today. Most modern businesses have more than one platform installed on employee devices. In this track, we explain what you should look for when choosing the right collaboration, communication, and conferencing tools for your business needs. The new normal has changed the dynamics of work. Most of you are probably still work remotely, while some are probably at your office desk, and then there are others who do both, depending on the day of the week. But no matter where you are working from, the most important factor is communication. One of the biggest challenges of remote working is ensuring seamless communication. Most physical meetings have been replaced by virtual ones, while town hall briefings were simplified to just emails and recorded video messages. With social distancing rules still in play, those working in office also continue to rely on conferencing tools for their interactions. Today we have a myriad of web and video conferencing tools for business use that are helping organizations connect, be it Zoom, Slack, WebEx, or Microsoft Teams. Each of these tools have their strengths and limitations. When choosing the right application, you need to first understand the nature of your work. There is no solution that is one size fits all, so you should always think of the most appropriate tools for you. As much as possible, choose solutions that are meant for your business and customizable for your needs. Is your business about developing websites and programs? Do you need tools that are intended for real-time collaboration, such as writing and editing? Is your focus on sharing heavy files? Or do you just need to buzz a colleague working remotely? There are various job functions, and there is no one single solution that can meet all their needs. You need a solution that will solve the most important aspect of your company so you can continue your business as usual. Always prioritize connectivity among employees. Choose solutions that are simple to use and secure to keep out unwanted issues, because remote workers are high on the target list for cyber criminals. When it comes to project management, you need an application that allows time tracking, collaborative editing, document management, task management, integration with other rules and systems, and has role-based features. For file storage, cloud-based tools and software can meet your needs, but there are also VPNs and NAS to boost the connectivity as well. For your video conferencing needs, choose an appropriate tool according to your number of employees. If it's just around 5 people, then there are tools that specialize in HD conferencing for just a limited amount of people. Otherwise, look for an app or software that is reliable and is able to handle numerous participants seamlessly, because the more staff you have, the more meetings will be taking place simultaneously. Additionally, the required time of meetings should also be kept in mind when choosing a solution. There are apps that provide free services within a limited amount of time, but there are also paid platforms for meetings that last longer. But it's not just about software. Huawei ID Hub is a great example of an innovative productivity tool for the smart office that can incorporate all your different communication and collaboration apps, and includes features such as intelligent handwriting, HD projection, and lots more. It was designed to enhance team collaboration for teams who are working in the office and remotely, and are able to support a range of different scenarios. With the right tools and solutions, you can maintain and even increase productivity among your employees no matter where they are.